this is Dean DeLisle, Chief Revenue Officer here at S2A Modular, here for another Modular Minute. So today we're going to be talking about and really digging into just for a couple of minutes about the types of modular construction projects that we build. A lot of times, modular gets confused with different types of builds. Sometimes people think of mobile homes, container homes, and things like that. Well, if you're familiar with S2A, you know we're way beyond that. We actually build not just the panels, but the full construction in the factory, about 90%, and then we ship them. And that last 10% is the site build. But what are the types of builds that we do? So a lot of people ask this. So let's cover real quick. So real quick, we have ADUs. That's what they're called in many areas. They're accessory dwelling units, and these typically go in the backyards of properties. And they're called mother-in-law, granny flats, in-law units. I've heard all kinds of terms for these, but they're usually smaller and they can be under 500 square 800 square feet, so it depends on what you need in the back. And they have full plumbing, they're permitted and everything else, right? They're dwelling units, so that means they have everything for a fully functional, call it a tiny home, if you will. And we're getting requests to build all kinds of communities like this. We also have single family, and that can go from anywhere from the size I just told you to a single family tiny home, beyond luxury of 10,000 plus square feet. In our webinar, if you've ever attended, we actually show some 10,000 square foot homes built modular. So those are pretty interesting. And remember, that last 10% means you can do just about any style you can do with a traditional stick built home. MultiFamily, that means any type of smaller apartments, and we can go up to 5 stories, and we can go as wide and deep as you want on a property. That goes with hotels as well. So multifamily, we build quite a bit of those, and we have plenty of those orders coming in as well. Now, commercial mixed use means that you're doing a combination of some commercial, maybe some store frontage. That could be like a Starbucks, a cleaners, a dentist, things like that in the bottom part of the building. And then you might have the next structures above that, which are apartments. Okay, and that's a very common model, and we do some of those as well. And so that's mixed use. Schools, we're getting a lot of orders for schools as schools are expanding, student housing, things like that. Hospitals, we don't do the big hospitals, but think about all the clinics and testing centers and urgent care and dental offices and things like that. We're doing a lot of those. And then, of course, office buildings. And a lot of the buildings that we're building, if you look at the designs on the website or if you're talking to one of our reps, they're very COVID friendly. So a lot of these came about because people needed to expand, not up, but they wanted to expand out, right? They wanted to build smaller units. They wanted safer entrances and exit ways. So anyway, that's a quick snapshot of S2A Modular, the different types of modular that we build. And if you have any questions, obviously go to s2amodular.com. You can hit contact us. 7 different categories there to choose from. And please join us on one of our educational webinars coming up soon. And there will be a link down below that you can use to click to sign up for one of those. So thank you from all of us here at S2A Modular, and thanks for attending another Modular Minute. Take care.